Welcome to the One Step at a Time YouTube channel. These are my friends Nick and Connor. And that's me. And we are exploring the Caribbean. Today we are in St. Maarten. And we are headed to the beach. So first things first, we hop on a taxi, and they drive us across the island. It's a rather long drive past mountains and marinas. But you know we're close when we get to the airport. Because today we are going to Maho Beach, aka Airplane Beach. And it's kind of the thing to do here, so it's usually pretty crowded.
We made it to Maho Beach! Hey! Okay, Airplane Beach. Hopefully we'll see some planes going by. Let's go check out all the water.
The beach itself is small, but very, very pretty. The sand feels great. The water is crazy blue. But the waves are very rough, and there are lots of rocks, so be very careful, otherwise you're gonna eat shit like I did. But the real appeal of the beach and where it gets... But the real appeal of this beach and where it gets its nickname is, of course, from the airplanes.
That's hysterical. I have to try this.
Since you told me what could become of me, I put together all the pieces, and now it's time for me to fly away.
Probably can't see it on the camera, but that's the 11:30 from Panama City. About to cross right over us. A JetBlue flight is leaving, so we're gonna get pushed back. God, I'm so excited.
Everything is just easy. Since you told me what could become of me, I put together all the pieces, and now it's time for me to fly away. Everything is just easy. Since you told me what could become of me, I put together all the pieces, and now it's time for me to fly away.
So windy. That was cool. So windy.
What could become of me?
Bye. Have fun in Panama. You are clear for takeoff. we spent the day at Maho Beach. We're gonna go check out the shops and stuff, and then see what else we're gonna do. What do you guys think of the beach?
Airplanes are cool.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Perfect. Awesome. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got them taxi back to port. Now we're just gonna check out the shops that are kind of chilling around here and see what they have to offer.
$5. This is a shirt for me though.
Yeah, you're right.
Enjoyed our trip to St. Maarten. I had fun. You had fun?
I had tons of fun.
I had so much fun.
So much fun. We're tired. The sun really wears you out.
Yeah.
But tomorrow we got one more port to call. We're going to San Juan tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe to get that video, like this video if you liked it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You okay?
Leave it.
I'm seeing it, but
Yeah, but I took the bell.
Do it again. No, you got this. You got it.